What's your outlook for the lira moving forward if we did indeed see the central bank moving as you suggest?
I know, look, it's always very difficult to forecast any currency, but if you look at that graph that's on the screen right now, you see that a lot of that devaluation has happened in the first half of the year, first quarters of the year, so it's been somewhat stable over the past quarter or so. I would expect Turkish lira to mark to market and more heavily, and most certainly, I would expect US dollar Turkish lira to hover around kind of early 40s or low 40s, I should say, by Q1 next year. But again, all depends on the timing of the central bank interest rate cut, and the market and the exporters in particular needs that.
Ozan, I have to also get your reaction to the latest political headlines as well. Never a dull moment in Turkey, and now we're hearing that Turkey is considering joining BRICS. What's the game that Erdogan is seeking to play here, given Turkey is already a NATO member?
Look, on the face of it, joining or talking to join BRICS is on its own not mutually exclusive in terms of being a part of NATO. The place that Turkey is geostrategically requires the country to be able to talk to all counterparties around the world. The real issue, potential issue, will be based on the fact that we live on a much more polarized world. So, we may end up finding out that if you are to be a part of BRICS, then you may have to take a step back from some other obligations. That's not because you would want to, but the other organizations that you're a part of may decide to dictate certain rules on you as a country. So on the face of it, Turkey looking to engage in a more, organic manner with the BRICS countries is not a bad thing. It's a part of the world economy, it's a growing part of the world economy, and that's fine. So far as it doesn't really put the country in collision course with its NATO allies, and considering the backdrop of all of this, then, where we are morphing into a world where the traditional alliance structures that were set since the end of World War II are coming under a lot of pressure. It is going to be an area to watch, although on its own, I think it is a positive move for Turkey to consider looking at a 360 all around the world.